Hi, I'm Suzette Morrow and I am your art guide on the side on this channel. I am, let's say, a seasoned artist and art educator, and I wanted to tell you what you can expect from this channel. This channel is all about art. Mostly tutorials because I am experienced in many different media. I have a Picasso-like philosophy in that making art is not limited to one specific media, but it's in the idea. On this channel, you'll also find a lot of encouragement, teacher tips on how to run classes, workshops, and facilitate people in creativity. I am a facilitator in creative journaling and expressive arts, and I've been trained by Lucia Capacchione, Doctor of Social and Emotional Needs, using the creative arts. I make art feast or famine. It's part of who I am, and I think you're creative too. You just need some encouragement and inspiration sometimes. My goal is to help facilitate others through this creative journey. I hope you'll come along and subscribe to the channel and like every video so that it gets pushed out to more people to encounter it instead of just getting shelved in the abyss of the internet. Let me know down in the comments if you have any ideas of the videos that you'd like to see in these areas, and I'll put those up higher on my list. All right, if that sounds good, then go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.